Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus Exam vocabulary one word at a time. Before we get into today's word, here's a reminder that we deliver live workshops throughout the year for students preparing for their 11 Plus exam. These workshops cover comprehension, verbal reasoning, writing, and maths. In the last academic year, we helped over 5,000 students. Give it a try and improve week after week. Just visit the Exam Coach website for more information. That's www.theexamcoach.tv. Today's word is awry. It's pronounced a-ry, and it's spelt A-W-R-Y. Think A-W and then R-Y. Awry means not in the intended way or position. For example, you could say, after taking off his hat, his long hair was all awry. Awry comes from the words a and wry. Wry means distorted or twisted to one side. From the old and now unused verb, wry, meaning to contort, to twist or turn. Awry means having the qualities of being contorted, twisted, or turned. Like if something turned away from the intended or expected position or result. If I asked you which country had the best football team in the world, chances are you'd say Brazil. So, when they hosted the World Cup in 2014, it was fairly certain that they were going to win. They started off well, winning almost every game in the competition. But things suddenly went awry in the semi-finals against Germany. In what has been dubbed the greatest humiliation in Brazilian football history, the home team lost the match by a staggering 7-1. This game went awry for the Brazilian team, as the game did not go the way they planned, and most people had assumed. Awry is an adjective, and therefore a describing word. For example, you could say the bank robbery went awry when the police arrived. Awry is defined in the dictionary as different from the appropriate, planned, or expected course or position. Awry synonyms include askew, astray, afield, wrong, aslant, and curved. Antonyms include on course, acceptable, appropriate, planned, and expected. See if you can notice anything going awry today. It could be something going wrong at school. For example, your friend might drop their books on the walk between lessons, or your parents might temporarily misplace their car keys. In both of these situations, you could say things have gone awry. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.